Hello students, today from the Excel chapter I will show you how to take out the rank. Okay, and as like that if else statement also I will show you. Clear? If else statement you have seen in QBasics. Now how I will apply on a Excel I will show you. Just look at it here. I have written one sheet. Suppose this one mark sheet. I'm just showing to insert this one. I am writing here mark sheets. In the middle place I get the mark sheets. I'm writing here. Suppose you can see I'm writing mark sheet. Okay, the heading I gave. Now I have written few students name this one name column. You can see if I give the color, you can see the color I have given. Name the Ayush, Ziauddin, Jahid, Arindam, Abhinav, like that. I have given here 5 subjects: 1 English, Science, Math, Computer, SST, and total. So I will find out the totals. Last class you have seen how to take out the total with the syntax. Now I will show you how to show the take out the total regarding the auto sum. Okay, I will show you. So how to do this one? Easy process I will show you. First of all, select, and one column extra also you will select, because this cell the total marks will come. Okay, after that you'll go to the auto sum options. These are the auto sum option. You can see this one, it has auto sum sign. Just click on. Now you have to see the total number came out. Okay, I'm showing to you once again. You will select this row, and I told one extra means where the total number will come. I think you can see properly. Then we will go to the auto sum. Okay, now last one you will select. After the drag it will automatically come. Now I have written, you can see the total marks all of coming the above 300. Okay, now I am reducing of this last one. Suppose I gave here 50. You can see here it came the 294, the last number, the below the 300. Here the rank I will take out. What I'll write here? I will write here rank. Okay, the condition is those who have the pass. Okay, those who have above 300 they are pass. Those who are below 300 they are fail. How to take out this one? First of all, I will show you these things. After that I will take out another one. Okay, now how can you take out? So you will write at first equal sign, then if whatever you have learned in QBasics. Okay, then now so I will show you here. So what to do? Equal signs, then if statement, then first bracket will open, then logic test. You can see the logic test. What we will do? From this one condition I have given here, we will check up these things. After that we will give the greater than. Okay, equal sign, then 300. I have given the conditions that those who have the more than 300 they are pass, or below 300 fail. Okay, then comma, you will give the comma sign. Okay, then you will write the double quotations. Within double quotation, first one option if it is correct, then it will come the pass. Otherwise here you will give the sign of comma, then within double quotation you will write fail. Clear? Next, then I have started first bracket, close first bracket, then enter. Now you see these 300, more than 300 so pass, and down one no need to write, we know, no need to write the syntax. We will go to the plus sign and drag it. You can see only one students got less than 300, so fail. I hope understood of this one. Just you see what I'm going to write the formula. Okay, now you can see I have written here formula, equal sign, then if statements we are doing, then cell means the cell number. Okay, which cells I want to give here, total number, so this cell number total we have to check. Okay, which cell we will going to check, then equal to value, which value we have to give. Yeah, I have apply here 300. If you give less than means 200, 300, 400, whatever value you will give, then you will give the pass. If it is the correct one, if suppose you want to give the more than 200, they are passed. So you will write here 200. Okay, select, then 200, then within double quotation first one correct statement, then second one wrong means fail one. Okay, this is the condition how to check the pass and fail from the Excel. Okay, I have shown you. Next day I will show you how to take out the rank means A grade, B, C, D, then otherwise fail. Okay, this one I will show you next day. Today you just see this one and practice your home, and I will say whenever you write the formula, obviously you write this syntax you will write, and also these structures. Okay, then you will show me. Okay, so I hope you understood today's class and you will practice your home. Okay, bye.